So I'm going to show you how to turn caller ID announcements on or off on the Ray-Ban Meta AI glasses. So this is very simple. All you have to do is go to the Meta AI app and then go to the devices and select your specific Ray-Ban Metas. And then from here, you want to go into communication. And then under communication, you can see the phone app right here. So you can have your device announce the callers. So here, who's calling you, you can turn that on from here and you're good to go. So when you turn that on, that means whenever someone is calling you, it's going to read out the name of the caller to you. Now, you want to make sure you don't have Siri call announce call ID enabled as well, because if you have an iPhone and and Siri is already announcing who's calling you, then this might announce and then you'll have two announcements for your caller. So you want to turn one off and leave the other one on. Thanks for watching and good luck.